welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Makeover Monday, so I've got another great low carb recipe for you. But before I start, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love low carb recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Okay, so today we are going to be making low carb crab and avocado quesadillas. So how are we going to make our quesadilla low carb, right? But I think pretty much everything is already like pretty much carb free, like the mayonnaise, the sour cream, the cheese, the crab meat, got a few vegetables and the avocado. So the worry part is the flour tortillas, right? But I found these at Dollar General the other day. Olay Extreme Wellness High Fiber Carb Lean, only 4 net carbs per tortilla. So I'm not sure, they may have something similar at Walmart, or if you don't have a Dollar General close to you, I'm sure they have something similar on Amazon. So that's what we're going to be using to make low carb crab and avocado tortillas. Yeah, I had an avocado I had to use up and I thought, what can I make with it? And then I saw those and I was excited. All right, so I've got 1 avocado that I went ahead and smashed up. I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of green chilies. I'm going to put in, I think 1 jalapeno is what I chopped up and I de-seeded it. So if you want it a little bit spicier, you can leave the seeds in. We are going to do about a 1/4 cup of mayo. And about a 1/4 cup of sour cream, which I'm just going to go ahead and use what I have left in here. And then I made some cream cheese a couple of weeks ago. We made this out of some Greek yogurt. I just need about 2 ounces of this. And if you want to find the video to that, I will post it at the end of this video, and I'll also put it in the description below. All right, I'm going to squeeze in just a tiny bit of lime juice. Tiny bit. I usually get out my citrus press, but I only want a tiny bit in here. I don't need a whole lot. If I can get any out. This lime has seen better days, but I think the juice is still good. Okay, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Towel here. And then I've got about 10 ounces of crab meat. So I would love to have like the lump crab meat, some fresh crab meat, but the pickings are slim at the store. Excuse me. And I really haven't been to the store lately, but I did have a couple of cans on hand, so that's what I used, was canned crab meat. And if you got a little extra change in your pocket this week, you can always put some lobster meat in here. So we're just going to give this a good stir. All right, that looks good. A couple other things I forgot to add. A little bit of salt and a little bit of tarragon leaf. I love tarragon with seafood, especially tuna salad. That's probably good. All right, and I've got my burner heating up here. Just a little bit of butter in it. Full of fat, but carb free, right? All right, so I'm just going to stir this once again. All right, and then go ahead and pull our burner back here. Get us a tortilla. They're a little on the thin side, but hey, if you can have a flour tortilla, it'd be low carb, you can't complain. All right, so I like to do mine just a little bit on both sides. I'm going to flip it over once more. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of my filling. All right, then we'll let this cook till it gets a little bit crispy on the outside. I'm just going to fold this part over. There we go. I'm just going to let it cook just a little bit longer. I just want to make sure that cheese in there is nice and melted. All right, I think it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. I'll take this out and just transfer it onto a little cutting board. Push this out of the way. And we'll just use my little pizza cutter here. Let's see, we need a fork. Just to kind of cut this into little triangles here. All right, and here's where the cheating part comes in. I had to use up that avocado, but I also had to use up some pineapple. I bought a whole pineapple, I don't know, for Thirsty Thursday or something. I'd only used a little bit of it. I thought, what am I going to do? So I decided to make some fresh pineapple salsa to go with this. So if you want the recipe for this, even though it's not low carb, I will put it in the description below. So we're just going to put a little bit on here. Let's give this a taste. Oh gosh, mess I just made. Yeah, you're definitely going to want that one. That makes that so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, seafood quesadilla and it's low carb. Man, you can't get any better than this. And you know, this is great. You can serve this as a snack, but you can serve this along like some Spanish rice or some chips and just make a meal out of this. Some chips and guacamole. I'm seeing a whole dinner here. Anyway, that's really good. Really, really good. Proud of myself. I kind of created that on my own just because I needed to use up some stuff. And I found those tortillas. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.